Bermuda ka naman hey kan chuak to na kanin hak khom me ka vo into premier glass bottom boat cruise ka na ka voi khat pi na tura nya a mo nong tura nga ya.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Where is my group 33?
Long chung ka lo la tilang ro hin te china ma se ei ti lam rem lo na hi om be chin ne cho ni ma se vun cho kan capture lui ni he mi hi I kan thia ta ran ne kan long hi ate ya chuan he mi hmun ah hian lam te comedian ti te khai hei show chi sang sang kha om thin ni chu thei ho la hian kan kal to do na tuna chuan gangway lam kan pan to don helai hi door ania sana te thomno te bag ti te le thil chi sang sang an zuara kan kal to do na ni kan long chung te noi zo kanya kan palang ya hi ra su noi ya kan kal do ni he so mi a son long a song kan chong do na glass bottom boat ania dar thalang 이게 tuyến anh thấy nam ho chút tiếng ang long à trong căn trong đó nè cho hay các cặp bụi tổ tên nhá cái chút nung bể dễ là các cặp khang này à thành cho escort cái này vào nên hay cái cắn lồng hay má tay môi nhá cắn lồng hay long chung kha cái đồ ang trong cái là trà đầy thì là aruk đó là khang cái là box ya thì này nó vắt khảo lo là cũng tiếp tục ăn lạc về không hả hay Bermuda anh ấy cái năm nay vội in hi chọn ni nha đồ rèn khá ra hay bác cả quá xua wifi cái hi ông trả lâu đó cái này cho Bermuda cho hay cần chọn nướcตัวthật lại đi cái rốn thì dễ lắm.
Nathan is working with us today. It's going to take about 25 minutes to get to the coral reefs.
Right me.
Boat cruising will take you on to the western end of the reef. It will take you about a mile offshore. This here will be turned to moon. And cruising arrived out, I'm more than happy to make any points of interest you might find as we're cruising along. And again, if you have any issues, Nathan is the go-to guy downstairs, and I'm going to be hanging out on the bridge on the top deck here. I understand your ship was at St. George's yesterday. Maybe they do it the other way around. Well, that's nice. Like I'm sure the reason they did that was because I know in the weather, the channels are very narrow there. As a matter of fact, folks, anyone making before up top, nobody over newbies, okay? Where your ship is, folks, in Hamilton, it used to be the main port of the system. So the decision was made, and I will show you, the cruise ship terminal has been moved from Hamilton, where your ship is now, all the way out to the other end of the island we call the naval dockyards. You would have driven past that this morning on your way to Hamilton. Your ship is one of the very few that is capable. I don't know why our government doesn't go after more ships. Capable fitting in. I mean, just really quickly, the large pink building we just passed by in 1980. He was only planning to pit stop. John became so overwhelmed by the people of Bermuda and the hospitality, he rented that red house. He spent 6 months over there, overcame his writer's block, and wrote all the music to this last album ever. Bermuda inspired John Lennon to write double fantasy. Wrote about a flower, caught his attention, a double yellow hibiscus flower. He wrote about the children. Things about 100 of those wrecks on the chart showing exactly where they are. Because early days, mariners didn't know about these treacherous coves. Over 200 years. I'll tell you what, when the wrecks that have gone down, we're proven in the archive, we just don't find it. Make sure I want you to do that here. Anyway, think this is that. Over to the left, after the pink covered buildings in passing by the delightful spot, it's a resort called Cambridge Beaches. I don't know how the tide is, the chairs are in there. So when you stay there, folks, you rent your own cottage. And it could be a one-bedroom or Somerset. And one final point of interest, everyone, sitting on the carpet and hanging. If you need a chair, we can. But in order not to clutter the well area, we don't mind named after what it looks like. So it keeps it really simple. It's the resting and the brown are the feeding. And they feed on plankton. They feed on the plankton that's in. If it surrounds them and they change colors, they extract their tentacles to feed. Now next to the grain coral, there's a brighter yellow colored coral. Looks like cauliflower. We call it rose coral. Same thing, it's hard. And folks, these corals aren't just resting on the bottom. They are quite firmly attached by lime secretion. In other words, they attach themselves. Look at the beautiful grains there. It's called the sea plume or the sea rock. It's a soft coral. But look closely. Hey, grain coral there. Look closely amongst the brown fingers. You might notice little powder, little purple cotton rolls. That's called the lactivate oyster. So if you look amongst the brown fingers, you might notice little purple cotton rolls. That's called the ice. Just by looking at their size. You might also notice in the sandy bottom where those sea slugs are, a lot of shells. Now, I don't know if folks have been to the beaches, but one of the major complaints, I say complaints, but comments we get, people say, we didn't find any shells on the beaches. That's because they're trapped out here on the reefs. So if you really want to shell collect, you gotta come out to the corals. Now there's a rusty colored coral. And I don't, oh yeah, there's some in the front. See the rusty, it's a pink by the way, that's called a butterfly fish. There's the damsel, the queen angel, a flat yellow fish. Everything of value, look at those beautiful fangs there. All the ornaments, all the guns, the anchors, everything of value has been taken. You see folks, this wreck is easy to find. She's not even, she's a quarter of a mile offshore. In 35 feet of water. Heck, I've dove the Dixon countless times. It's a great novice dive if you're getting into scuba diving. So it's a pretty popular spot. I can assure you, if it wasn't for the weather today, there'd probably be people out here, but yeah, we're the only ones today. Same thing this morning. There's been little activity out here. Anyway, the Vixen was an all-British gunship. It went down in 1896, and she's become a home for an amazing array of marine life and fish everybody. And what I was about to say to you, before we wrap this up, before we leave, we're going to feed the fish together. To me, that's one of my personal favorites. That's a very simple drink. It's Bermuda black rum with Bermuda ginger soda. Very appropriate today. The other bit of it is called a Bermuda rum swizzle. And that's a combination of fruit juices with a little bit of rum, a little bit more rum, and then a lot more rum. So So Nate can make up the swizzles. They're actually pre-made. He just got to pour them out the darkest stories. We got cold beer and soft drinks and all sorts of things. So if you'd like to wet your whistle, folks, as the saying goes, Nate's down below. We'll get going in a few minutes, and we'll do that. Hold the valve, sticking out of water. Just want you to know that. That's your back. That's the front of the ship. Right out the windows. Here we go, folks. I'm just letting, try to work with the tides and the currents here. Here we go. And don't you worry, here comes the fish, right on cue. Here comes the bow of the ship. Look closely for hatches, for tangled ships. But remember, folks, it's going to look like a reef. It's a wreck. Here she comes. See the hatches? There's a big round capstan. I know the fish are in the air, aren't they? Just look closely. You'll start to make out the remnants of the groupers are generally a darker brown color, and they're massive. We see some big groupers that live down in that wreck there. It's going to drop off a bit. This is where we drop off the bow to the cargo hold, and then we're going to slowly drift towards the back of the ship yet again. And again, folks, the reason that fish are all hanging around is because they know that we feed them every tour. Today's no different. And we do this on a daily basis, and not just us. Pretty much everybody that transits the area has a hangout for the fish. We have some bread. We have a friend of ours that whatever the supermarkets don't sell, will give it to us. And we give it to the fish. And the rain has stopped, everybody, I'm glad to say. So I'll get Nathan to dry some of these chairs off, and hopefully we can invite some more of you. Okay, here we go. We're coming up towards the missus, folks. We got lots of fishes. They're waiting for lunch. See them moving quickly now? Because they know we're getting ready to feed them.
Cái nuôi hiện người nó mà để thầy nó được hai tiếng này. Mini bar te oma chuan bar room so lai kila son om boka si di se okay tui in te oma chuan na ama in tiana nei in tiana pa hi over ni mà con sống nhé sống hạt con bé đi thằng anh bé thôi, sau này mình chủ nó xong đấy, cái là bằng anh bé nhau, xong tiếp tục.
Fish. If you go to a restaurant, most of the times they're going to just say the catch of the day. Whatever they got is what they're going to serve. Okay, the gentlemen, either the yellowtail jacks or the yellowtail snappers. What are they, jacks or snappers, sir? Okay, the gentleman's saying they're yellowtail snappers. Okay, he's got them there now. Some top of his clothes. He was screaming, it's raining. And shut up and stop talking. And I'm like, he came up there and I'm like, I was halfway taken. Anyway, I'm like, sir, we're conducting a tour. And he was going to scream, shut up, you big mouth, I can't. Service, he had People don't like to hear me. I don't care. Anyway, Nathan gave up on that concern. The need to go. I'd rather one complaint than see. Anyway, I can't.
You guys are great. Thank you for the feeding of the fish. So you've been listening to my big mouth way too long. I was just telling some folks up here, I had an irate passenger this morning that kept telling me, shut up, shut up. Anyway, he was so disturbed. We're going to hang out for a few more minutes, allow you a little more time to see some more bottom. Is somebody throwing, Nate is throwing over the rolls. Good, Nate. Get them ready. Get rid of them, I should say. You get some old rules. We're going to hang 2:30. We'll get you back just after that, so you guys can put it back. Let's put this in order. Anyway, thank you for your attention. You guys sit back, relax. I'll give you a little time to enjoy this company. Let me remind you that Nate's
chỗ này dấu đồ ăn còn nặng to nó rén rén
available. And ladies and gentlemen, I can tell you, back in those days, until today,
ketutup mai doon long lampang kan pantotเพราะว่าลูกเขาอมเฮียนเองเจ็บปักตัวแห่งกันง่ายชีนะจุดเดียงเงินให้อาจเจ็บปักเราอาจเราอมเราลงว่าหนังโถที่โม่ดุยที่ใต้จะสร้างเทนี่เราจวนอาจเราอมเราให้ตัวน่าจะป่วยดุยที่อัฟฟอนน่ะสัตว์เราที่ chế vắc tụ ra hàng cần ngay chuyện na mà sẽ đi đâu long long kha cần invest thâu này hay in cần thu